Namaskaram everyone, welcome back to Queen's Lifestyle Vlog. Today we take you to one of the Andhra Pradesh most sacred and divine places, the legendary Arasvali Sun Temple in Srikakulam. As the entire town glows with devotion on the eve of Radha Saptami, let's witness the grandeur of this celebration, the temple's breathtaking decoration, and the powerful energy of Surya Namaskaram. Stay till the end for an unforgettable spiritual experience. The Sun Temple, dedicated to Lord Surya Narayana, is one of the oldest and most powerful sun temple in India. Radha Saptami, also known as Surya Jayanti, is celebrated here with unmatched devotion and grandeur. The temple is illuminated with thousands of lights, adorned with stunning floral decoration, and echoes with Vedic chants that fill the air with divine vibrations. Gathers at Arasvali to offer special pujas and Surya Arghya, seeking divine grace. The temple looks mesmerizing with its grand Radha Yotsav, where the deity is taken on a majestic ride, symbolizing the sun's spiritual awakening for all living beings. Wait, this celebration isn't just about the temple. Srikakulam itself shines in all its glory during this festival. Known as a land of temples and home to a beautiful rivers, beaches, and rich cultural heritage, this city is an underrated spiritual destination that deserves the spotlight. One of the most powerful rituals on Radha Saptami is performing Surya Namaskaram at sunrise. Devotees gather in large numbers at the temples and riverbanks to perform this sacred yoga sequence, which helps us boost our energy and strength, brings mental clarity and inner peace, and also purifies the body and soul. On this day, doing 12 sets of Surya Namaskara is said to bring immense spiritual and physical benefits, filling one with positivity and divine grace. Namaskara, sun salutation, is a dynamic sequence of 12 yoga postures that offer holistic health benefits for the body and mind. Regular practice enhances flexibility, strength, mental clarity, and inner peace. Starting from Pranamasan, Hasta Uttanasan, Padahastasana, Ashwasanchalanasana, Dandasan, Astanga Namaskara, Bhujangasan, Adhomukha Savanasana, Ashwasanchalanasana, Padahastasana, Hasta Uttanasan, Pranamasan. Doing all these asanas on regular basis helps you to boost your immunity, enhances flexibility and posture, and improves digestion system, and also aids the weight loss. And it also strengthens heart and lung muscles. Radha Saptami at Arasvali is not just an event, it's a spiritual transformation from the breathtaking temple decorations to the soul string Surya Namaskaram. This is a must-visit experience for every devotee and traveler. So when are you planning your trip to the magnificent Srikakulam and Arasvali? Let me know in the comments below, and if you love this vlog, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Quiz Lifestyle for more divine journeys. Thank you so much and stay tuned for it.